I'm Bill Winterberg of FPPad.com. I had a chance to step away with Aaron Klein of Riskalyze at a conference to learn about the exciting news of a new investment in his company by FTV Capital. Aaron, you are a busy man. I appreciate you stepping away from a conference here to help share the news that you just announced.
Yeah, we're excited to share that we just did a transaction with a growth equity firm called FTV Capital to bring about $20 million of capital into the company, into Riskalyze. This was the kind of transaction we really wanted to go out and find a partner who would fuel us to be a long-term independent partner for our advisors. And our mission every day is making sure that we're empowering those advisors to really build fearless investors, to align the world's investments with each investor's risk number. And for us, finding the right partner to allow us to just continue the incredible growth that we've seen so far was the right move.
So from the Riskalyze founding, just not too long in the distant past,
not too long ago,
to now, I imagine you have attracted a lot of attention from a variety of companies and institutions looking to make an investment.
Sure.
What was it about FTV Capital that really sealed the deal for you, that really made a lot of sense for you?
Well, my favorite is when venture capitalists call our support line and think that that's like the best way to get noticed. That is not how we started talking with FTV Capital. But FTV, is a firm that has a great background, a great pedigree, a great track record of helping the companies that they work with. And they haven't worked with a huge number of companies, so I think we're sort of in rarefied air there. But the companies that they've worked with have been incredibly successful in building big, long-term independent businesses. And so we look at that and we say, along the journey of building a company, we're blessed to have so many thousands of customers who just love the risk number and what it has done for their business. Along the journey of a company, you tend to make lots of mistakes. Our hope is that with FTV here, we can just make a whole new set of mistakes together.
Yeah, and when I think about investments in any company, any fintech company that's in use by advisors, I know my audience gets nervous about what is going to happen in the future. So what do financial advisors need to know about what to expect now that you're forming this new investment and this new partnership? Sure.
Well, nothing is going to change, and I know a lot of people say that, but the truth is that, I'm still the CEO of the company. This is a minority investment. Brad Bernstein, who's a managing partner at FTV, is joining our board. It's a 5-member board. Brad's joining. We're super excited to have him there. He's got a lot of great knowledge and insight about the industry. So he's going to be a great asset to us as a company. But same management team, same people. We woke up and went to work this morning, and it was the same as getting up yesterday and going to work yesterday. Nothing has really changed with our business except that we have the resources to just continue innovating, continue doing the great things that we're doing for advisors, both in the core Riskalyze product and in the autopilot platform.
Well, you certainly have no shortage of opportunities on your plate.
Absolutely.
I'm going to let you get back to the conference, but thank you so much for sharing the news with me and with my audience today.
Absolutely, my pleasure.